Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, a 201 years old puzzle. This puzzle is composed in 1824 and it's just fascinating puzzle. It's a bit unrealistic, I know. It looks strange, but it's just fascinating to see these kinds of puzzle in that year. So before I said anything else, guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So I didn't mention the composer, and I don't know the composer actually. For those of you who know the composer, who the composer is, just let me know in the comments, and I appreciate you guys. So before we just started maneuvering, let me tell you something, right? So what do you notice in this puzzle or in this pawn? Well, if you see clearly, or if you just notice that all of these pawns control the light square and all of these pawns control the dark square, meaning here the dark square colors are the only squares that are covered, while our bishop effectively operate there, our light square bishop. On the other hand, from this point, our dark square bishop dominate. So we are going to use that advantage, right? So the first move is knight to g5. So it's a check, and notice, like I said, the bishop is preventing the king, and with the help of the other pieces, the king is restricted to move to all of the squares except to g8, and we play knight to h6 check. Again, same thing, right? The bishop is doing very well here, and so does the light square bishop. So here we just maneuver like this, and if you notice this, the knights and the bishop are working together to push the king away, and every time we just give a check, we are going to push the king away, and the king can't go back, right? So here we play knight to e7 check, the king moves to b8, knight to d7 check, the king moves to a7. So here I just point an arrow. As you can see, we just moved to the other board of the king. I mean to the other part of the board. We just moved the king to the other part of the board, and we continue maneuvering like this until the king moves to a3, right? So now this is going to be just checkmate. Isn't this fascinating? So I just found this on the internet, and I thought it would be cool if I shared this. So it's just incredible how this puzzle is old, and you couldn't find a puzzle that old, right? This is just 200 years and more. So here is the line. First we are going to play knight to g5 and knight to h6 check, and knight to h7 check, and knight to g8 check, and knight to f8 check, and we just make the king lure all the way to a3 and checkmate the black king like this. If you found all of these details, I want you to appreciate you guys. I want to appreciate you, and just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.